As energy costs rise and environmental concerns grow, Orangeburg homeowners are looking for practical ways to save money and reduce their carbon footprint. One of the most impactful upgrades they're making is switching to energy-efficient windows. These modern windows not only enhance the look of your home but also deliver significant savings and benefits tailored to Orangeburg's unique climate. Here's why more homeowners in Orangeburg are making the switch to energy-efficient windows. Significant energy savings. Orangeburg experiences hot, humid summers and cooler winters, making temperature control a year-round priority. Traditional windows often allow heat to enter in the summer and escape in the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime and driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to address these challenges. They feature low-E coatings, reflect infrared and ultraviolet light, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple panes, multiple layers of glass with insulating gas in between minimize heat transfer. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass provide superior insulation compared to older wooden or aluminum frames. With these features, energy-efficient windows can reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 30%, offering immediate and long-term savings for Orangeburg homeowners. Enhanced comfort. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature by reducing drafts and eliminating hot or cold spots. This is especially valuable in Orangeburg, where the summer heat and humidity can be relentless, and winter nights can bring a chill. By creating a consistent and comfortable indoor environment, energy-efficient windows improve your quality of life while reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Reduced environmental impact. Switching to energy-efficient windows is not just about saving money, it's also about making environmentally responsible choices. By reducing energy consumption, homeowners contribute to lower greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. For Orangeburg residents, this means helping to protect the region's natural beauty and resources. Every kilowatt-hour saved through better insulation reduces the demand for fossil fuels, making energy-efficient windows a step toward a more sustainable future. Increased home value. Today's homebuyers are increasingly seeking properties with modern, energy-saving features. Installing energy-efficient windows can significantly increase the resale value of your home in Orangeburg's competitive real estate market. New windows enhance curb appeal, improve functionality, and give potential buyers confidence that the home is energy efficient and cost-effective to maintain. It's an investment that pays off both immediately, through energy savings, and long-term, by boosting your property's value. Noise reduction. Orangeburg is a vibrant and growing community, and with that growth can come increased noise from nearby streets, neighbors, or construction. Energy-efficient windows, with their multiple panes and insulating materials, offer excellent noise reduction. This added layer of quiet creates a more peaceful and enjoyable living environment, whether you're relaxing at home or working remotely. Lower maintenance requirements. Modern energy-efficient windows are built with durability in mind, requiring less maintenance than older models. Features like vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, peeling, and cracking, even in Orangeburg's humid conditions. Additionally, advanced glass coatings repel dirt and reduce water spots, keeping your windows looking clean and clear with minimal effort. Protection against UV rays. The sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and curtains. Energy-efficient windows with UV-blocking coatings protect your interiors by reducing UV exposure by up to 98%. This not only preserves the beauty of your home but also extends the lifespan of your furnishings. Financial incentives and rebates. Many Orangeburg homeowners are taking advantage of financial incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Federal tax credits, state programs, and local utility rebates can offset the initial cost of installation, making the switch even more affordable. These programs are designed to encourage energy-saving upgrades and reward homeowners who prioritize sustainability. Checking with local resources ensures you don't miss out on these opportunities. Tailored solutions for Orangeburg's climate. Energy-efficient windows are not one-size-fits-all. They can be customized to meet the specific needs of Orangeburg homes. From advanced glazing to reinforced frames that withstand the region's humid summers and occasional storms, these windows are designed to perform well in local conditions. Working with a reputable window replacement company ensures you get the right features for your home, maximizing energy savings and comfort. Conclusion. The shift to energy-efficient windows is transforming homes across Orangeburg, offering homeowners a way to save money, reduce environmental impact, and increase their property's value. With modern technology and tailored solutions, these windows provide year-round comfort and long-lasting benefits. If you're ready to experience the advantages of energy-efficient windows, now is the time to make the switch. Partner with a trusted Orangeburg window specialist to explore your options and start enjoying a more energy-efficient, comfortable, and valuable home today.